One of the things that I enjoy the most about our graduate program in biochemistry is our Friday graduate seminar. It's the opportunity for each of the students to give their annual presentation on their research, and I enjoy hearing about the different projects that each of the students are doing, and I really enjoy watching each of the students grow and develop as they go through the program.
I love the biochemistry department. Everybody has an open door policy. Well, maybe not since COVID-19, but the policy has been, I'm free for Zoom, I'm free for email, text, or whatever.
So the biochemistry department, I'd say, is very supportive. That sense of community really allows students to achieve their goals more quickly.
Everyone's very welcoming, and we always try to hang out outside of lab and eat lunch together outside right now because of COVID, but we used to have like once a week lunches on Friday together, and we also do Taco Tuesdays.
Everyone wants you to succeed. Everyone's very helpful.
We really want your success. Your success will be ours as well. So we do everything that's on our side to make your stay in our department a complete success.
So one of the interesting and exciting things about the biochemistry program is the number of different disciplines and approaches that are brought together.
We've hired a total of 8 faculty over the past 3 years, faculty who are doing cutting-edge biochemistry using whole systems. It offers students an opportunity to train with faculty who are experts in collecting and analyzing data in the way that research is demanding that we collect and analyze data now to answer the big questions.
My research lab focuses on the progression of castration-resistant prostate cancer, and we're focusing on one enzyme specifically that we believe plays a role in the progression.
So we're looking at this enzyme. It's a cytochrome P450, and it does all this interesting chemistry. It's actually able to synthesize hydrocarbons, which could be really useful in biofuel production because they're always looking for more sustainable ways to produce fuel.
I'm working with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. We have access to Metric. Part of my project is actually using mass spectrometry through them, which is really awesome.
Metric is a new university-wide core facility that aims to bring analytical techniques to life scientists.
You have ways to examine proteins, nucleic acids, and you can look using a number of different technologies ranging from mass spec to NMR to X-ray crystallography to understand the protein function or the presence of various metabolites or proteins that are contained within your samples.
So our building is like a geode in the sense that it has the traditional stone face of the brickyard, but inside each of the labs is a modern open concept space that is a hub for collaboration and interaction. Faculty and students share and collaborate and work together as teams in those spaces. Our program prepares graduate students for their future careers by having an emphasis on original research publications, having cutting-edge research programs, helping you network, encouraging you to attend conferences and present your research so that you develop the confidence and the skills to explain your research succinctly to a broad audience.
We train you very well. We do as much as possible to give you a broad overview of what biochemistry is, and then to give you all the tools in your particular area of interest.
In the real world, you have to do a lot of group projects, so we focus on that. It also has a program called A2I, or Accelerate to Industry.
We've actually had companies come out and we've been able to talk to them directly, kind of get their advice, kind of more on like an individual level, which has been really nice.
The next step for students that are interested in our biochemistry graduate program, you can check the website. Also, I recommend reaching out to professors that their research is of interest to you, just to inquire about what they work on, and then you can reach out to the graduate program director, Joe Barycki.
Being in the Research Triangle area, there are a lot of opportunities for our graduates. We have students that enter the job force, and they're readily recruited because of their analytical and logistic skills.
Ultimately, helping you build the networks that you need to build so that you are positioned well and competitive when you go to seek a job. At the end of the day, what we all want to see is our students go out into the workforce and go to make big impacts on our research fields.
The only thing I would like to add is, if you're thinking about coming to NC State, you should come. It's a great program. You're going to grow, you're going to learn, and you're going to be prepared for your professional career, whatever it is. Go Pack!